The what?
The homunculus. Okay,
You
those.
like write it down or something?
Okay, I will write it down. Okay, the homunculus. Homunculus. I did mention it to you a long time ago. I'm not pretty sure about the spelling of it, but yes, okay, it's like the homunculus, and everyone can actually do it. So do you okay? A homunculus or a
Oh, you
hybrid?
mean like elf?
What is it?
Oh no, never mind. Oh, I remember. There's like super short people,
Uh
right?
huh. Uh huh. And those
Right?
people, oh yes, you were actually right. Okay. Smart people who are like injecting their own semens, okay, for example in an egg, and that egg will produce a what? A chicken with a human eyes, okay, a chicken with a
Yep.
human hair. That is homunculus. And when we say hybrids, it is actually almost the same with homunculus. Hybrids are like a project, okay, to the scientists, to those who are like thinking if, for example, a person with the wings can actually fly, okay, or a person who's like having a horse characteristic can actually be accepted in the world. So do you believe that there are really real hybrids?
I might think that maybe, but I don't think that there is exactly anyone wouldn't do this for themselves unless their family force them to be.
Okay, unless they want to prove something. Okay, but
Yep,
okay, there are some
probably.
reports that there are really actual hybrids. Okay, anyways, um done with the aliens, done with the UFOs, done with the hybrids, okay, done with that homunculus thing. So, what other supernatural creature do you think exists or are existing today? Because you don't
Oh,
believe in
they
anything
wait.
like ghosts, aliens, and all. So, what supernatural creature do you think is existing today?
Oh, like like I know like the I remember I forgot his name like the like the dinosaurs in like the lake. I don't know. I don't remember
Mm-hmm.
which lake. Yep, that one. Yeah, I think that they actually alive or
Okay, the
maybe real.
dinosaurs. Okay, it can be real and it cannot be real. Okay, but okay, we can say that it is real. Okay, because of what? Because of the fossilized eggs. Okay, because of the bones, because of the fossils that are really came from a very big animal. So okay, dinosaurs could be, but I think that is not even a
No, like
supernatural.
no, like
Mm-hmm.
more like like the lake monster. No more like that.
Okay,
I
the
don't remember
monsters.
which lake. The lake monster.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember from which lake.
Yes, there are lake monsters. Okay. The okay, because in the Philippines, I have to tell you, we have different supernatural creatures, but no one could actually see it. We think that okay, maybe the adults created that one to scare the kids. Okay, but we have like videos. For example, this girl who was interviewed from Capiz, Philippines, okay, she announced to our country that she is one of, not a ghost. We call her a swang. She can really transform into a really big dog, big black dog. Okay, she has this video. she has this video, but not everyone believe that it is real, but some other think that it is real. So whenever we will see documentaries regarding supernatural creatures, do you think a person like you should believe on it or not? And why?
Uh, I don't think so. I
Okay.
don't exactly think we have to believe it. If you like to believe it, but if you like to believe it, then yes, you can.
Okay, it would actually depend on, okay, we hold the power to believe or not to believe. Okay. Okay, so in your situation, you're not gonna believe on it because maybe I think what I'm thinking is, oh, maybe it is just a waste of time searching for those kind of things, or in there are more important matter to like research on. Am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
Tumble me down, and I will
Okay.
sit on my
So what about,
smiling
okay, the stories about mermaids or
let Robert
sirens?
Carey sing.
Yep.
Do you believe in the story of mermaids and sirens?
No, not exactly.
Okay, not exactly. Okay, why are you not really or why do you really not exactly believe that there is a mermaid?
I think the mermaid is like more like really unreal because like how do they like keep the generation going? Like
Mm-hmm.
and now do they just like I don't know. How do they like like yeah, just like weird to think about mermaids.
Okay, it is weird to think how they, multiply their being. Okay, how they produce their
Yep.
being, the new generations and all. Okay. But okay, most of the fishermen believe that there is an actual mermaid, because the mermaid are the ones who, like, sometimes they need to worship in order to give them a bunch of fishes. Okay. So for example, that your family is living or having a business of fishing, for example, do you think it is possible that your family would also believe that there is a mermaid?
Yep.
Okay,
No, not.
not really. I think so. Did I think it right? Hello?
You have a
What?
ton of stuff to.
Okay.
You say again.
Okay,
You're saying.
let's move on with that question. Okay. So since you don't ever believe in any supernatural creature,
No, I
uh,
do believe some.
okay, you don't believe
I
some.
do
Okay,
believe.
let's just say that way. Okay. So maybe we can simply continue answering question number 9.
Okay. If you saw an alien, what would you do?
Mm-hmm.
Easy. I will make a TikTok clip and just upload it on TikTok.
Okay. That is
Just
the
like
thing.
this guy.
That is the thing that you will do. Okay, because maybe, okay,
Yep, I
by
will
the,
post it on my TikTok.
uh-huh. And
And
that
then I
clip,
would like wear the some random post.
mm-hmm, and you might gain lots of followers and likes, and you might even uh get some money out of that post. Okay? That is a
Yep, I will
really,
get some money out of that post. I will make like a new like politician and then I would drive
and you
community
will
by
be
stuff. And then I
famous.
would do like some more
You will be famous, and every, like, a newscaster would like ask you things. Oh, where did you see it? How come you actually filmed that thing? Okay. Okay. What about this? Okay. Would you not simply call the media, or maybe keep that video all by yourself?
Yep, maybe. But I will share it with my people who I believe. the most.
Okay, of course you would do that. But what if you simply saw supernatural creature like a mermaids, not an alien, or maybe like a monster? Okay, how are you going to deal with it?
I think that I'm just gonna like proceed to run. Maybe just hide away from it. Or maybe just hide in the blanket because the ghost cannot catch you in there.
Okay, you have different styles of coping up with the situations like that. Okay, of course, if you would saw a
Yep.
monster, you would hide, you would run. Why don't you film it? And so you became very famous.
No, I'm not like those TikTokers. Alien may
Okay.
not be that aggressive, but monster be maybe.
Okay, of course, if monsters or if we are talking about a monsters, okay, who would not simply run, hide, and then go inside their blankets as they see monsters. Okay, even I would hide if ever I would saw one. I am not gonna think of filming that thing, though in return I'll be famous if I will do that so. Okay, what about this? Okay, zombies are sometimes considered to be supernatural, though it came from diseases. Okay? There are actual zombies, but not the real zombies, I mean, not the zombies that we are seeing on different movies. Okay? Zombies are actually paralyzed. Paralyzed people who are infected by a disease and whose like brains are like eaten by bacteria. Okay, so what will you do if ever you would encounter someone who's like turning into a real zombie? Okay.
Oh, wait, maybe.
Okay. I think you would hide as well.
Yep.
Okay, you would hide of course and you would uh-huh. You would not look at them. Okay. Okay.
Yep, that would be what I do.
Uh-huh. Okay. But what about you have like an educational discoveries that is like required in your science class and it tackles about unrealistic things. What will you do if there is a news about hybrids?
No, I would complete my life or something like that. Although, if that's safe, then I would probably try
Okay, you would probably
properly.
try. Okay, but what if you have a subject that requires telling something real about supernatural? What is that real thing that you would say to everyone?
Mm, I think I'm just gonna have like no, I know. I'm just gonna like tell my story about how I meet it, what
Mm-hmm.
time do I meet it, probably just 3 a.m. because like that's like the time where most people just study. Yep, probably just something like that.
Okay, something like that. Okay, I would accept it. Okay, well, it is even a good idea. Okay, what about answering the last question, which is number 10? Will you please read?
Which is the scariest place to know? Uh,
Mm-hmm.
maybe the movie,
Aside
okay?
from a haunted
Maybe
house.
that.
Uh-huh.
No, haunted house are not as scary as like you know the house my house when my mom is angry. That is more scary.
Oh, a mom that is a very like like our mother is the scariest person that we could ever meet. Okay, but yes, what is the scary place that you know? Your home?
I don't know. No, maybe a haunted house which I saw last year.
Okay, what is all about that haunted house that caught your, fear? The fear that is hiding or that is hiding inside you.
Oh, it's just like have only the thing that needed to be scary. From like the layout,
Mm-hmm.
the place.
Okay,
Yep,
maybe it
most of
is
them.
the
They're also
ambience.
the monster, maybe.
Okay, is it
Yep,
not?
maybe.
Okay, the ambience is actually a great or one of the topmost contributor why someone believe that a place or a thing is scary. Okay, so how are you going to deal whenever you've encountered such a scary haunted mansion again or a haunted house again?
I would probably just go inside there again. Maybe
Okay, you
because
would
it's fun to be inside.
Okay, can you consider like going in a cave as a scary, a scary situation or a scary experience? And do you think that caves are actually, um, you know, are actually one of the scariest place?
I think that depends on how you look. Like caves, like full of things like really scary things such as for example, in the case there may be things like spiders
Uh-huh.
and things are not really scarier than that. A lot of things, and I don't like it a lot.
Okay, of course, a lot of scary things are things of course that we don't like. Okay, but how are you going to deal whenever you've witnessed a real supernatural scenario?
That high chance I probably just try to like, oh my goodness, what even is that? Uh, Yeah, probably something like that.
Okay, you will be maybe amazed. Okay, you may be surprised at the same time. Okay,
Yeah,
so, so
probably.
since we are talking or we are done with the some or five selective questions, I will add some questions as well so we can finish discussing supernaturals. Okay, if you can still remember,
Okay.
I asked you before what supernatural power do you want to have? But this time, I want you to elaborate it more. For example, give me first that is connected with water, connected with land, connected with air, and connected with what? Rainforest or all? Okay. What kind of
Okay.
supernatural
For
power would you like to have?
for like waters and probably just like be like Aquaman or
Uh huh.
or water boy. What
Really? A water
it's
boy?
just Aquaman, but
Okay.
it's just like Aquaman, but like
Uh-huh.
younger, younger
Okay.
Aquaman.
A younger Aquaman who's like living on land. Am I right? Okay. So why
And
the
for like lighting, there may be a high chance that I want to be able to charge any device at any time I want. Like maybe if my phone is a battery, I can just like plug the charger into my hand and then just start charging it.
Okay. That could be. That is one of our really great supernatural power. Okay. Okay, young Aquaman. Okay, very good. Okay. What about something supernatural that you can do on Earth?
Uh,
Aside from that
some
water thing.
the sport. Hmm. If works, then maybe just maybe I want to be like never be thirsty again.
Mhm. Okay.
Yep.
So okay. Okay, that
Funny
is
about the water.
okay. It's about the water, and it is a pretty accepted. Okay, since water is actually, let's just say that water is one of the topmost power or relating power that is actually strong. Okay, very good and very
Yep.
well said. So I think we are done discussing about supernatural. So what have you learned from our discussion?
Yep. I learned that supernatural is like the thing that is something that cannot be explained by anyone. other than like the spiritual world. Maybe
Okay.
it's like cannot doesn't have anything to relate with science, but science may help us like find the answer to it.
Okay, it cannot be
And
explained.
there's
Uh-huh.
also like yep, and there's like different type of them. Oh, I mean, lot of different ones. Like about like the things about like the lucky one,
Mm-hmm.
the alien, which one?
Okay, so there are so many things relating to the word supernatural. And we actually human can dream of having supernatural powers. Okay, but believe or everyone believed, especially those who are like having powers now, that okay, we have to use enough power, okay, to actually enjoy that power that we have. Okay, okay, so now that we are done, okay, I will see you again the next time I will see you, and then we will discuss about the superheroes. Okay?
Okay,
Okay, so goodbye for now and have a good day ahead, Ken. Bye bye.
bye bye, teacher.
Okay, have a good day.